Here's a new 2018 Chevrolet Cruze. Create your own finish line in this comfortable, quiet, and fuel-efficient Cruze. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated bucket seats, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. From the Wall Street Journal, as adapted for the U.S. market, the Cruze is mad for safety with standard equipment, 10 standard airbags, rollover sensor, stability control, pre-tensioning front seat belts, and automatic headlamps. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Experience it for yourself today.
Hall Automotive. More cars. Great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads